Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook login with Google not working. So if you normally log into your Facebook account just using your Google account and right now you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is try to clear out the cache of the Facebook application, or if you're currently using a web browser, you can try to clear out the cache as well as the cookies. So if you're currently using the Facebook app, head over, tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you'd be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on this option and try to see if this fixes the issue. Also, you'll need to disable any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one. Sometimes what happens is Meta blocks off any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to. So make sure you do that and try to see if you can now log in using your Google account. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is try using a different device. If you're currently trying to log in using the Facebook application, then what you can do is use your desktop or your laptop, head over to facebook.com and try to see if you can now log in. So these are the few solutions that you can try out in order to fix the Facebook login with Google not working. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.